Hello, good afternoon. My name is Mohammed. Now, in today's video, I'm going to help you guys understand and help you guys explain how to fill out an authorization for registered representative to appear for oath hearings. Now, what this is basically, let's say, for example, if you got hit by a summons or a violation by the Department of Consumer Affairs and you need to go for a hearing. Obviously, you have to either go for a hearing or you could plead guilty if you don't want to go to the hearing. A lot of times, if you plead guilty, your summons and violations will be less. So they are basically putting you in a guilty bargain, where if you plead guilty, you'll pay less. If not, then you go to the hearing. So this is what the hearing is held. It's called the Office of Administrative Trials and Hearing. There's one located in Brooklyn. There's one located in Manhattan. I'm not sure about the other boroughs. You have to check that on where it's located. But wherever the summons will be, they will tell you where to appear. Most of them I know is in Manhattan. If I'm correct, I'm not sure. I think it's 66 John Street in Manhattan. I'm not sure the one in Brooklyn. I can't remember on top of my head. But you could do your little own research, or obviously, if you got hit by a summons, they will tell you where to appear, and you could go there from there on. Now, obviously, if you're, like I said before, if you got hit with a violation of summons, if you want to plead not guilty, you will get a hearing at this place, trials and hearing. If you're not planning to go yourself, obviously you could have a registered person, a family friend, or somebody else to go on your behalf, but you have to fill out the form. I know some people that go there, they send somebody else. It's not an issue. You don't have to fill out a form, but it's always better to be safe than sorry. Just in case if you do ask for it, you have it on you and you can give it to them. It's not gonna kill you if you don't have, like if you don't fill it out and bring it. It's better to bring it just to be on the safe side, just in case. So let's get started. In order to have a registered representative appear on the oath hearing division on your behalf, you must provide the registered representative with a complete copy of this form. This is the form that I'm going to show you. Answer each question in the space provided. You and the registered representative should each retain a copy of the completed form for your records, just in case. If they, you complete a form, just have it on you, just in case, or the person, so that you show that you do, because they will, inspect this. Oath does not endorse or qualify any registered representative. So information about the notice of summons, that's the first part. Name of respondent, as is written on the notice of summonses. Whoever the respondent name. If it's an individual DBA, it should be the person whose name is. If it's a corporation or an LLC, it will be different. So everything is going to be different. I authorize the registered representative to appear on, check 1, notice of summons numbers. Obviously, if this one, then you just put down the notice to summons numbers, or all notices someone issued on to the respondent. Obviously, whatever it is, if you have one notice just to appear for that, you can send that person for one. If you have all of them, just put all notice and summons division, and they'll basically search the record. They have a system to search the records and everything. Information about the person authorizing the registered representative to appear. Your name, you put your name, not the authorized person, you put their names over here. Your name, your mailing address, your telephone number, city, state, email, zip. Are you the named respondent on the notice summonses? If yes, you click on yes. If no, you click on no. If you're not the named respondent, check the box to describe who you are. I mean, whoever you are, you just basically do that. You're general managing manager, owner of property, partner, officer, other friend, relative, employee, respondent, whatever it is, basically. Registered representative name, that's going to be the person that's going there. You put your name, your registration number. If you don't have it, leave that blank. Mailing address, telephone number, city, zip code, and email address. Once you do that, basically you just go down. Authorization statement, person authorization, registered person must check the appropriate box for each question. Your name, you basically, whoever the business is, your name authorized that person such and such inform me the following: that the registered representative is not an employee of an oath, you click on no. That the registered representative is not an attorney, you click on no. That the registered representative may appear in an oath hearing division without a registered representative, no. What the potential penalty for the charge, whatever it is, you basically you just click on it, basically, like whatever it goes towards the person. The amount of the registered person will be charging. I mean, obviously you're sending somebody else on your behalf, whoever it is. So if they're a registered representative, they might have a registration number. If they're not, they might not have it, depending on who you're sending. So obviously it depends. Like I said before, always double check with the Department of Consumer Affairs. Call them up and ask them, do I need to fill out this form? This form seems like they don't need it anymore. This is an old form, but I'm just showing you the video. If they do need it, how to fill it out, is always best to know that this is the form, what they're supposed to do. This is not a basically you don't have to get it notarized, so that's one of the best things, so you'll know what's going on. Obviously, once you fill that out, whatever it is, you just sign and date, and that's about it. That's how you basically fill out an authorization for registered representative to appear. Now, obviously, once you fill that out, whoever is registering or representing you, most of the time, this form is mostly filled out by lawyers or somebody that's authorized to fight for you. I mean, you could use the reason I'm showing you this, but this is the form that's basically used for registering. I mean, if you're sending somebody else, obviously. I mean, I know for a fact that if you send friends or family to represent you, you don't need a form, but it's just I'm showing you just in case if they do ask for it. This is what the form looks like and everything. And you can always, DCA has a live chat and their number, so don't worry that they're gonna get angry or something. Just call them up. That's their job. Ask them, do I need to fill out this form? Do I need it from my place of business, and see there whatever they say from there. So basically, this is how it is. I just wanted to show it to you just in case people don't know about it. If you have any other questions, please guys comment, like, subscribe. I'm always here. I'm always glad to help you guys out. I appreciate it for watching the video and listening to it. If you have any other questions, again, just please comment, subscribe. I'm always there. Thank you very much for time for you guys. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys learned from this video. Thank you again.